Hey there, want to accept online payments directly through your FreshBooks invoices? Integrating Stripe connects your payment gateway, letting clients pay with a click. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to connect them. In your FreshBooks account, go to Settings, then Payments. Click to add a new payment gateway and select Stripe. You'll be prompted to log into your existing Stripe account or create a new one. Follow the steps to authorize the connection. Once linked, your FreshBooks invoices will have a Pay Now button that securely processes payments through Stripe. My crucial pro tip: enable saved cards for recurring clients. In your Stripe settings within FreshBooks, turn on the option for clients to save their card on file. This makes it effortless for them to pay future invoices and for you to set up automatic charges for recurring billing. That's how you create a seamless, professional payment experience. Do you prefer using FreshBooks' own payment system or connecting a third-party gateway like Stripe? Let me know why in the comments. For more guides on tech integrations, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.